How to turn off and on iPhone without buttons. Whether your buttons are damaged or you're just looking for an alternative method, I've got you covered. Let's start with turning off your iPhone without the buttons. The first method is through the Settings menu. Simply open the Settings app, scroll down to General, and tap it. At the very bottom, you'll see the Shutdown option. Tap that, and you'll get the Slide to Power Off slider. Just swipe it, and your phone will turn off. Easy, right? Another way is by using Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone." Siri will ask for confirmation. Say, "Yes," and your phone will shut down. Now, let's talk about turning your iPhone back on without the buttons. This is even simpler. Just connect your iPhone to a power source using a lightning cable. As soon as it starts charging, the phone will automatically power on. No buttons needed. And that's it. Now you know how to turn your iPhone off and on without using any buttons. These methods are a lifesaver if your buttons aren't working, or if you just prefer a simpler approach. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.